Happy Friday everyone, and welcome back to another episode of my series Apéritif in Pairs, where I make drinks and nibbles that go well together. And this week it's the last of my Christmas themed aperitifs because of course it's coming up, it's this weekend. So whether or not you're celebrating, I hope you're still going to make the most of the time off to have some fun with friends and family, and hopefully this gives you a bit of inspo of what to serve, to eat and drink. So I'm making what we call in French Aumônières, which are these tiny little purses of pastry with tasty filling, and I'm filling them with garlic and herb cream cheese and a little bit of apple. It's so simple and easy, but so effective, so tasty, goes so well with that flaky pastry. They're actually so quick and easy to make. You just want to take one sheet of phyllo pastry, divide that up into 8 squares, and then take a square, brush it with melted butter or oil, whatever you want, and then add a small teaspoon of cream cheese. I've gone for garlic and herb flavor for, added a little something, and then a quartered slice of apple. Bunch it up at the top, brush with a bit of oil, and just put it in the oven until golden brown. You don't even have to bother with the whole chive tying thing that some people do, unless you want to. Now we can pair this with my favourite drink this time of year. It's actually known in our friends group as the Christmas drink because I make it every year and it's so delicious. It's a mix of apple juice, whiskey, and then my mulling syrup, which I used in my mulled cider recipe, and I've got the full breakdown of how to make it on YouTube and Instagram, so I'll link those below. But once you've made the syrup, it's super easy and quick to put together and so tasty. I would say it tastes just like the essence of Christmas with the orange, the spices, the apple, the whiskey. And it pairs really well with these nibbles. We've got the apple echoing in both the drink and the nibbles, which cuts through that kind of crispy, fatty, creamy cream cheese and pastry, which pair really well with the whiskey and the spices as well. So I really hope you enjoy this one. Let me know in the comments if you make it, and as always, please make sure to like and subscribe for more every week.